Zishubileke izinto kwaMxenge. The truth is out. Bulelwa gets Ntando arrested and Mxenge fight for Bulelwa's forgiveness. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Qgebeha, the Empire, from the 11th to the 15th of September 2023 on Monday. Ntando's action seems to have far searching or reaching consequences. Thulani find himself with no hope in the face of growing problems. Funeka brings in the big gun to deal with an enemy on Tuesday. Bulelwa gets his sister's wife, troubled son, arrested, and all hell breaks loose. A pregnant woman won't wake up from her slumber. A gun goes off during a scuffle at the Mokwetus on Wednesday. Luzuko fight for Bulelwa's forgiveness, and Nobome try to bring to squash the family feud. Funeka is haunted by what she did to protect her children. Thulani drives Anathi away from East London looking for help on Thursday. Luzuko decides to return as a CEO with Nobome by his side. Thulani seems to comes to Bulelwa in desperation. Mxenge returns with a bag of gold on Friday. Thulani wants to remain a ghost while life spills out of Anathi. Mxenge's dreams is worth gold. Zimkita has run out of charity. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.